There is a powerful connection inside your body that most people rarely think about. Yet it influences how you feel, how you think, and even how you respond to stress. This connection is known as the gut-brain axis, a complex communication network linking your digestive system and your brain. In recent years, science has revealed that your gut is not just responsible for digestion. It plays a major role in your mental health, shaping your mood, your energy levels, and your cognitive performance. At the center of this connection is the gut microbiome, a vast community of trillions of microorganisms living in your digestive tract. These bacteria are not harmful by default. In fact, many of them are essential for your health. They help break down food, produce vitamins, and regulate your immune system. But what makes them truly fascinating is their ability to communicate with your brain. This communication happens through multiple pathways. One of the most important is the vagus nerve, a direct link between the gut and the brain. Signals constantly travel along this pathway, allowing your digestive system to influence your brain in real time. In addition to this neural connection, your gut also produces chemicals that affect brain function, including neurotransmitters. A surprising fact is that a large portion of serotonin, often called the happiness hormone, is produced in the gut. Serotonin plays a key role in regulating mood, sleep, and emotional balance. When your gut health is compromised, the production and regulation of these important chemicals can be disrupted. This may contribute to feelings of anxiety, depression, and mental fatigue. Diet is one of the most powerful factors influencing the gut-brain axis. What you eat directly affects the composition of your microbiome. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can reduce the diversity of beneficial bacteria. At the same time, they may promote the growth of harmful microbes that trigger inflammation. This imbalance, often referred to as dysbiosis, has been linked to various mental health conditions. On the other hand, a diet rich in whole foods supports a healthier microbiome. Fiber from vegetables, fruits, and whole grains acts as fuel for beneficial bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, compounds that help reduce inflammation and support brain function. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut introduce beneficial probiotics that can further improve gut health. Inflammation is a key link between the gut and the brain. When the gut barrier becomes compromised, substances that are normally contained within the digestive system can enter the bloodstream. This condition, sometimes referred to as increased intestinal permeability, can trigger systemic inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been associated with mood disorders and cognitive decline, highlighting the importance of maintaining gut integrity. Stress also plays a significant role in this connection. When you experience stress, your body releases hormones like cortisol that can affect gut function. This can alter the balance of bacteria and weaken the gut barrier. In turn, an unhealthy gut can send signals back to the brain that increase feelings of stress and anxiety. This creates a feedback loop where mental and digestive health influence each other continuously. Sleep is another factor that cannot be ignored. Poor sleep can disrupt the microbiome, while an imbalanced microbiome can negatively affect sleep quality. This bidirectional relationship means that improving one area often leads to improvements in the other. Consistent sleep patterns and good sleep hygiene support both gut health and mental clarity. Emerging research is exploring how specific dietary interventions can support mental health through the gut-brain axis. Certain nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols, and specific amino acids have been shown to benefit both the microbiome and brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish and some plant sources, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Polyphenols, present in foods like berries, green tea, and dark chocolate, act as antioxidants and support beneficial bacteria. Hydration also plays a role that is often underestimated. Adequate water intake supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gut function. Even mild dehydration can affect mood and cognitive performance, making it an important yet simple factor in maintaining balance. Another important aspect is the use of antibiotics and medications. While antibiotics are sometimes necessary, they can significantly alter the gut microbiome by reducing both harmful and beneficial bacteria. Recovery of the microbiome can take time, and during this period, individuals may notice changes in digestion, energy, and mood. Supporting the gut with a nutrient-rich diet during and after antibiotic use can help restore balance more effectively. Physical activity contributes positively to the gut-brain axis as well. Regular exercise has been shown to increase microbial diversity and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. At the same time, it improves blood flow to the brain, enhances mood, and reduces stress. Even moderate activities like walking can have meaningful effects when practiced consistently. In 2026, the understanding of the gut-brain axis is leading to more personalized approaches to health. Instead of treating mental health and digestive issues separately, there is a growing recognition that they are deeply interconnected. This has opened the door to new strategies that combine nutrition, lifestyle changes, and targeted therapies to improve both physical and mental well-being. However, it is important to approach this field with balance. While the science is promising, not every claim is supported by strong evidence. Focusing on fundamental habits remains the most reliable approach. Eating a diverse range of whole foods, managing stress, staying active, and maintaining good sleep patterns form the foundation of a healthy gut-brain connection. The most powerful insight is that small daily choices can have a significant impact over time. Each meal, each night of sleep, and each moment of stress management contributes to the environment inside your body. By nurturing your gut, you are also supporting your brain in ways that go far beyond what you might expect. Understanding the gut-brain axis changes the way you think about health. It shifts the focus from isolated symptoms to interconnected systems. Your mind and your body are not separate entities, but parts of a unified whole. When you take care of one, you inevitably influence the other, creating a cycle that can either support or undermine your overall well-being. In the end, the connection between diet and mental health is not just a theory. It is a biological reality supported by growing scientific evidence. By making informed choices and adopting consistent habits, you can strengthen this connection and create a more balanced, resilient, and healthier version of yourself.